Hi folks, it's Amanda Rizzo here, the program coordinator of the Achieve program. And I wanted to give you some instruction on how you can access your email account as well as your Microsoft Teams account. And Microsoft Teams is where we're going to be meeting online. So that's where our virtual classes will be taking place. The orientation for this year is also going to be all online, which will be starting on September 8th. Those are the first days of classes. And so what you'll be doing, instead of actually coming to campus for orientation, you'll be logging on to Teams. So it's important that you know how to access Teams as well as your email prior to orientation, which is why I'm touching base with everybody right now, and that is why I'm also giving you these instructions. So let's go through the steps, and if you have any trouble with any of it, don't hesitate to reach out, give me a call. Or if you want to text me or whatever works for you, you can also send me an email. So the first step, you want to go into an internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome, which if you're using Explorer or Mozilla, I think they all are user-friendly as far as the Office goes. If for some reason things aren't working, I know Google Chrome seems to be one of the ones that really does work. You're going to be going to the NSCC homepage in order to access this. And if you go over and hover your mouse over the login section right here, and then if you want to just access your email, you can go to webmail, but I'm going to get you to access your Office 365 account, which has everything in it. So you'll see this page, which is the Microsoft homepage. If you go here to the sign in section and you click that, then you will get to the sign in page. So in this section right here, if you type in your W number, which is your student ID, and followed by @campus.nscc.ca. I will be giving everybody their W numbers just in case they haven't received them yet. I think some people have via email, but I will make sure that everybody gets their W numbers. And once you have that, it's your W number at campus.nscc.ca. Then you hit next, and it's going to take us to the NSCC login page. So it has all of my stuff in here already because I log in all the time. But for you, you're going to have to put in your password, which everybody has a temporary password. You should have received that via email, but I also have a copy of your temporary password that I can give to you if you need it. If you changed your temporary password to something new, then you would use that new password, okay? So once you have your login information and your password and you have it all inputted in there, you would click sign in. And it's taken its good old time. And here we go. So you might not see the same thing that that I'm seeing here, but these are some of the apps that you would be able to access, and some of them we will be using this year. Teams is the big one. Teams and your Outlook email. So if you click Outlook, that's where all of your emails will be. And if you click Microsoft Teams, so it might require you to log in again, but if it doesn't, then that's great. I don't know if it'll ask you to do that. I'm already logged in, so, but you might have to put your W number and your password in there again, but it might just pop up too. I'm not 100% sure on that. Anyway, if this is what you're seeing, the Achieve program, I set this group up and this is where your classes are going to be. So I set up in Amanda's class right here. So you should all be able to access that. Once you log in, if you could just type me a little message and say, "Hi, Amanda," or "I'm able to log in," something like that, just so I know who was able to log in and who hasn't logged in yet. That would be really helpful because I want to make sure that all of the class is able to get in before orientation starts. Okay, thanks guys, and again, if you have any trouble, reach out. You can reach me on the Achieve cell phone at 902-578-8173. The number again is 902-578-8173. Or you can email me at Amanda, AMANDA, .Rizzo, RIZZO, at nscc.ca. You can call me, text me on the Achieve cell phone, or if you want to send that email off, that works too, okay? Otherwise, you can even connect with me on Teams, and it would be great to have a little Teams meeting one-on-one with everybody so I can go over some of the things once you're all set up and ready to roll. Yeah, so just send me a little message so that I know. And all right, have a great day, guys.